Last of the night, please. Give it up for Zannah Leya.
I can't escape my loneliness. I am at one with nothingness. I can undo the spell on us, but within yourself you have to trust. If you want to come with me and see all that's inside that you wish to be, see, I can unleash to you your dreams, as all that you witness is not what it seems. See, you are a king and I am a queen. You are a god and I am serene. We are a team. In the midst of the darkness I see you. Waking with the truth and gazing with the moon. Yeah! This poem is inspired by a plant medicine ceremony I did with my sisters. Whoop, whoop, whoop. We whisper cries into soils, soak in wet sorrows. Pitch blackness borrowed by standing life's motions, we surrender with devotion. An ocean of madness to gather our sadness. Voices of colour speaking lights through the darkness. Here we are raw, bleeding in awe. Our wombs they gather as we soar. The colour red shall set foundations. We are mothers of creation. In epic emanation and enigmatic elevation seeps wildly into our bones. Effectively, medicine creeps intensively. We sweat, shiver and twitch as two we breathe. Awake from sleep, our inner witch no longer frees. Shape-shifting, self-uplifting ecstasy. Collectively, we join a force to let it be. I swear one day we'll learn to breathe beneath the sea.
Beautiful.
Thank you. My brain, the waves, my blood, my veins, encoded in my DNA the ratio of golden ways. The rate to which the masses praise. To a force which denies our light in this maze. It is time now we enter the end of this phase. Encaptured in the webs of a corruption, it's a craze we've been caved. Hidden in the darkness of stardust, the stars are us. Hidden from the art, bound by charts, choking dust. Coughing up the aftermath of actions caused by men in masks. But it is us who has the last laugh. The task of vast, the blast of maths. The powerful patterns, crown chakra, solar Saturn stems from our minds, heading to the source of time. You see, you are the source of it all. Without our purity, the enemy would fall. All you got to do is answer to the call. Your intuition's guiding you to seek for more. You are the master of disaster, the master of truth, not when lie could move faster. You are the master above all the matrix, they play tricks, escape this endangered twist. Enlightened revelations of your soul's wish list, will it come true? Will you finally become you? Will you let light save you? In a place of darkness, I found out nothing's heartless, but I faced consequences. I found out where my strength is. It was hidden in the core, right down, I haven't been through it all. A challenge that would take me right down to the center of it all. I wasn't oblivious, just ignorant to it, when all along a secret world was waiting. The darkness guided me through and it helped me see. This air I'm breathing, it fills me with ecstasy. I'll take it with me through the days ahead. Feel so in touch with all this craziness. I've elevated to another level. I've never been here before. I'm so out of my comfort zone. The unknown is what I like to call home. Brings me a shingle of fulfillment in my bones. The sensation is enough to be alone. Feels like electrics entered every cell and pushed it higher. Awareness is so intense, it feels like burning fire. Sometimes I feel lost. Sometimes I feel found. Whatever I do, I know that the karma will come back around. I have to pursue all the things I know will feed my soul. Surrender into great divine, see, letting go is true control. We're rising with the sun and riding from a sight subdued. The flaming fire blaze shall guide us to the sacred moon. And when its stars collide, I welcome thee with open eyes. Upon this wild journey, look what we have come to find. Our hearts will synchronize. Sweet earth sings lullabies. Allow the stillness to awake within your inner wise. I can hear my mother's cries, my father's tears are in disguise. We read between the lines, we won't be wrongly hypnotized. We wish for remedies, serenity, sweet melodies. Some hear the whispers of the angels through telepathy. It's just an energy, you tune into a frequency. Enter your power, you're a flower, bloom courageously. Ignite, entice, delight, meditation is a silent night. When minds are magnified with the madness of a rising tide. Hanging on, holding on, getting strong with unified sight that we know where to hide. If you look into your soul and truly know Jah lives inside, this is where you can reside. Within yourself, your intuition, you confide. I want to see your butterfly wings fly. I want you to realize you can rise. Oh my sisters, my brothers, oh my fathers, my mothers, oh my. So this poem is a poem that I wrote this morning, inspired by the beauty of human connection and our connection to the universe. Do you ever feel like your heart is on fire and it can never burn out? Once a flash of lightning strikes it with fierce purity, there's no escape. The blaze amplifies in heat, shimmering under a distant waning moon, with its frosty essence provoking shivers as the rivers of our souls flow towards the truth. Ripples of truth flicker in a cosmic dance. The infinity of its wavering depth leave us roaring for more. Like a lion hungry for the golden nectar that seeps from the nipples of the golden mother. So let us swallow the sweet sacred liquids that rain from the skies of ascension. Let your heart be on fire. Bring balance with water, the air and the earth. As a magnetic force, we dive deep into the soils. Energetically imprinted, our geometric design aligns with the center. As our halo rays emanate far out beyond the blackness, that are home to the stars. Each stream of light can join in a sequence, an intrinsic intelligence swaying in celebration to its existence, insisting that we participate, for this is higher vibrational intimacy. This is tantric oneness.